There was a guy in LA that pretty much set up like a tattoo workstation out the front of one of these stores that are selling them. And he was doing custom tattoos onto like the monster faces and stuff like that.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
I'm sorry, Neil. Are we keeping you up?
I think it's the first time I've ever yawned on the podcast.
Yeah. Like, dude.
Getting old. Sorry.
What the hell, man?
It wasn't you. Keep going.
Oh, yeah. Yes, we'll start another story, hey?
No,
This
sorry.
thing's like taking the world over. And you're like, oh, well.
Yeah, let's move on.
Let's go back to Dr. Doom. So, yeah.
Well, we can if you want. I've got another couple of things we can talk about.
But yeah, look, it looks really cool.